With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here a question is, what happens to the partially digested food in the small intestine? We know that small intestine is the last part where complete digestion of foods takes place. The digestion of food got completed in this small intestine. And we also know that small intestine has three parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Duodenum is the part which starts from stomach, and jejunum is the part which is behind large intestine. Large intestine is on the upper side of jejunum. Ileum is the longest part and it is the most coiled part of whole alimentary canal, and this is the part where complete digestion takes place. Along with the complete digestion, one more important process takes place in small intestine, and that is absorption of food. These two, complete digestion and absorption of food, are the two essential processes that takes place in small intestine. Fine, we know that whenever food comes from stomach, it enters duodenum and then it goes to jejunum, where the secretions from pancreas, that is pancreatic juice, and secretion from liver, that is bile juice, these are mixed up with the food that is present in the jejunum, and these three things now pour into ileum. Now the food which enters ileum is consisting of food particles, that is complex molecule, pancreatic juice, which mainly consists of pepsin, which helps in degradation of proteins, and bile juice. This bile juice is the secretion of liver. And in the ileum, there occurs complete digestion. Along with these three things, there are intestinal juices secreted by the glands present in intestine. And this intestinal juice consists of every enzyme, that is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the enzymes which degrade carbohydrates, lipases which degrade fats, and then we have proteases which degrades the proteins, converting them into amino acids and dipeptides. Then we have nucleic acid digesting enzymes. These are the enzymes which are released in the intestine glands, and they offers the process of complete digestion. Here the complex molecules, the complex food molecules which have a lot of bonds, is now converted into simple food molecules. And these simple food molecules are now absorbed by the body. These are absorbed into blood. And this absorption of simple food molecules into blood is a process called as absorption. And this absorption is the second main function of small intestine. Here what happens? We know that in the small intestine, villi are present. These villi are finger-like structures. These are microscopic. What does these villi do? These villi increases the surface area of small intestine. When surface area increases means absorption increases. absorptive area has increased, therefore absorption is increased. These villi, let's look at the structure. These villi are connected with blood vessels and lymph vessels from the lumen. Lumen is the space present in the small intestine. If this is a small intestine, this is the lumen, and the wall of small intestine consists of these finger-like structures. And these finger-like microvilli or villi consist of blood vessels, lymph vessels, and the food, or more correctly we call simple molecules of food, are absorbed by the microvilli, by the cells, that is epithelial layer of cells is present into the blood vessels, and from blood vessels this food is transported to every cell. If we write simple food molecules from the lumen enters into blood vessels by the process of absorption, and from blood vessels it goes to cells where these simple food molecules are further utilized to release energy. This is the cellular respiration. But the small intestine do is it serves the function of absorption. If there occurs absorption, the food from lumen enters into blood vessels, and then these blood vessels transport the food to cells. Fine. So what happens to the partially digested food? First, it is completely digested, and second, it is absorbed into blood vessels. These are the two main functions of small intestine. Fine. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.